Moving on to non-alcoholic beverages, which include soft drink, juices, and specialty beverages. Number one, soft drinks. They are carbonated beverages that are sweetened and flavored. Common brands include cola, lemon lime sodas, and root beer. What are their trends? Increasing demand for craft sodas and health-conscious options, such as low sugar or natural sweetener variants. Juices. They are beverages made from the extraction of fruit or vegetable liquids. Popular options include orange juice, apple juice, and vegetable blends. What are their trends? Cold-pressed and organic juices have gained popularity, along with functional juices that promote health benefits, for example, detox juices. Specialty beverages include drinks like iced teas, lemonades, smoothies, and specialty coffees. These beverages are often made with unique ingredients and flavors. What are their trends? Increased focus on artisanal and locally sourced ingredients. Seasonal beverages and unique flavor combinations, for example, floral or herbal infusions, are also popular. Moving on to the trends in beverage offerings. Health-conscious options. Consumers are increasingly seeking beverages with low sugar, no artificial ingredients, and added health benefits. These include functional drinks like kombucha and herbal teas. Now, let's take a look at craft and artisan beverages. There is a growing interest in craft sodas, specialty coffees, and small batch juices. Consumers appreciate unique flavors and artisanal production methods. Eco-friendly packaging and sourcing practices are becoming important to consumers. Many establishments are focused on reducing waste and using sustainable practices in beverage production and service. Mocktails. The rise of non-alcoholic cocktails, which are known as mocktails, caters to those looking for sophisticated beverage options without alcohol. These drinks often feature fresh ingredients and creative combinations. Incorporating global beverage trends such as bubble tea from Taiwan or spiked seltzers from the US can attract diverse clientele and cater to adventurous consumers. By understanding the types of alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages, along with legal considerations and current trends, you will be well equipped to manage beverage offerings effectively and responsibly in a food service environment.